Alright guys, welcome back to All American Motors. Today we are going to be cleaning out the Mazda B2500 and getting it ready to get back on the road. Alright, so first off we're going to be cleaning it out. We're going to be taking the seats out, getting them steam clean, cleaning the vacuuming it out, getting the smells out. We're going to be pressure washing it, working on this hood, doing a couple different things, so let's do it. Guys, since I borrowed my neighbor's pressure washer and pressure washed my truck, his truck's almost the same color. It's a 2018 King Ranch Edition 4x4 F-150. Let's pressure wash it. Gotta pull the bug out. Got a camera right here. Alright, we're gonna put the hood on the truck. Hold it, you got it?
Yeah, I got it. The whole thing, yep. It's gonna need some adjustments.
Right, we will get it.
At least this one's really light. It's going on, guys. It's looking pretty good. We'll probably come over here. It's a bigger gap over here, so we'll probably adjust it a little bit.
It's good enough.
That's way better. Decent gap here. Decent gap here. It comes closer.
Alright, we got the hood installed. It had 4 8mm bolts. Alright guys, so yesterday, I'm not sure how much we exactly videoed, but we got the inside of the truck steam cleaned. We took out all the seats. We got the seats steam cleaned. We've cleaned up the whole entire truck. Let me show y'all. We got the door panels pretty much all cleaned up. Got everything all clean. And now we're gonna go ahead and get the seats installed. We've got the one seat sitting out here. We've got the carpet all cleaned. We have the truck pressure washed. So it looks like it's all pretty clean. So we're gonna get the seats back installed and get it back where we can drive it. We're going to change the transmission fluid. This is a manual 5-speed. This is a 99 Mazda B2500. We've already taken off the fill cap. The fluid's looking pretty dark and ugly. I used a 15/16 for both the check, and I'm going to use a 15/16. I've already loosened up the drain. I've got 4 quarts of full synthetic ATF that we'll be putting back into this. Let's see if this fixes. I was having a little bit of problems upshifting between second and third.
Ooh, it's reddish black there, boys. It's pretty disgusting looking.
Alright, I'm going to go up and shift through the gears just a little bit. Make sure that most of that fluid is out of there. And then we'll start filling it. Pretty simple.
Hey guys, it's Sis here. I just saw the camera. I'm not sure what they were working on, but I might be in the middle of their video now. I'm Sis, and here's the truck they're working on. Looking pretty good. I don't know what they're doing. I came up here to get something, found the camera, thought I would take a quick video. Hi Mark, if you're looking. Don't edit me out because I'm special. Keep me in the video. Alright guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell your friends that we have a YouTube channel and that we want you to subscribe. Yeah, hit that button.
Today I'm going to be painting this chrome here on the bumper and this chrome here on this grill black. So let's, I've already taken out the 4 7/32 bolts. Now we're going to pop this out of here.
Just like so. Like I said,
there's my socket that I lost. The
2 clips.
5mm.
That's funny.
That is crazy.
Look how ugly the truck looks right now.
Exactly. It is crazy how ugly a truck looks and how simple a grill is.
Yeah, it is.
Like, that is like bare bones, it seems like. always am so afraid that I'm gonna be unsatisfied with whatever I do. With all the changes that I make, you know what I'm saying? Alright, we're gonna paint the grill. I've got it all taped up. Got some paper down on the back of the bed. We're gonna see how this Rust-Oleum vinyl wrap paint works. Peelable vinyl coating, 25% higher gloss, gloss black. And so we want it a little bit thicker so we are able to peel it off when we want to. It's only supposed to be on here for about 6 months. We'll see how long that lasts. If it's on longer or shorter, we'll see. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Hopefully this is able to cover all this chrome. I've already washed it with this paint thinner, mineral spirits, whatever you want to call it, and then wiped it off. It's as clean as it's gonna get. Let's go. Let's try it. So basically, we won't follow any of the instructions, but it says apply 4 more light coats to build desired coating. Back and forth thickness followed by 1 or more medium coats to achieve a smooth final film. Note, target 50% coverage on first coat, allowing 5 minutes between coats. This is going to be a lot more glossy black than this inner, basically a gray, but hopefully it'll turn out looking good. I gotta remember that this is not paint. This is coating that peels off. Right. We're gonna paint this bumper. Let's see what it goes. Oh wow. See if I can figure out how to do this. Do a light coat. We're just gonna see if we can coat it lighter so it won't be so runny. Maybe this stuff is not made for chrome. Chrome, man. Yeah, maybe not. At least it'll peel off easily. Yeah. Oh no, we peeled some. You have to take it easy. You don't want to break it. He's just carefully cutting it and then peeling. You basically have to lead with the knife. Can't you just peel it? It will actually peel off all the paint because this paint can be peeled off. I like the symbol. Oh, you did. You do? Yeah, I like it. Could have had a better job, but I like it. That'll last a little while. Alright, we're just gonna peel the paint on this bumper. Yeah, that's going a little bit better. Pretty good on most of it. Oh yeah, this is good right through here. Alright, we're going to install this grill. So I'm gonna line up these 2 spots where these clips go in at the bottom. And we're gonna push in these clips. Click. Click. Oh yeah! That's looking really nice. He looks a little interesting, but I don't know. Comment below. All this? Oh yeah, I like it. It looks a little bit trashy on this line. Yeah. Didn't come out as good as I thought it would, but if we like it, we'll actually paint it. Won't you? We can just keep doing a different color every 6 months, can't we? I guess, yeah. Alright, getting the grill installed. I think it looks pretty good. Comment down below if I should have painted these stripes right through here. Welcome back to All American Motors. As you can see here, I've already taken apart the brakes on this side. And I've taken apart the brakes on this side. Look, we got all of our hardware in that box there. Mazda build. So here's my new exhaust installed. We had basically a straight pipe. We were running with a glass pack that fell off. Then we basically just had a straight pipe. We picked up a Rumble, I think it was a 16-inch exhaust, and had a shop get that exhaust installed. Here's the sound of it now. This is what it sounds like. It really had a great sound and I liked it. Thanks for watching.